Right, we're going to be fitting the Ducato relay box off Sportlines. This is for a short wheelbase and there's only 2 brackets. This one is for the rear. As you can see, it's going in this angle and that is connecting to the bar. This bolt, nut, and you'll have a washer with this one. That connects the bracket to the bar. These are your fixings. And this one is for the front. This is all on the passenger side. As you can see, the angle connecting to the bar is going that way. For the Sportlines, the fixing point is here and here. And this is the tricky bit with the rear fixing point. Is this plate with the hole in the middle. You have to slot it in and guide it back in. As you can see, we've placed the thread in the centre hole, and that's where you'll get your rear bracket. And you offer it in place to put your bolt and washer. Again, these are 17mm, so you need a 17mm ratchet and spanner with a 13mm. And this is the fiddliest part, the fitting. The L plate bracket will go in this fixing point here. And again, all you got to do is offer it up. Again, always do it finger tight. Right, this one is for the front. Again, you'll have 2 of these, so one's in this fixing point or one's in this fixing point. So again, you've got to line it up. So that's the front and the rear for the passenger side. It's the exact same method for the drivers for your Sportlines. The sidebars are handed, so this one is for the passenger side. As you can see, the front welded plate that goes to the front of the vehicle is closer to the bend compared to the rear. So that's the front passenger side. As you can see, we've got this one already attached with this 17mm nut and washer. So always finger tight to allow it to move. Just tighten it up a little bit. And if you go to the rear, it goes on the right side. And that's that done. As you can see, the sidebars are fitted. So all you got to do now is we've left it all finger tight so you can manoeuvre it in and out to the position that you want. And once you've got it in the position that you want, you go around and tighten it all up.